All right, good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. It is the Market Beast. And I've been sifting through the markets once again. It looks like I found a midterm opportunity for those who are interested. In this video, we're going to be pretty straight to the point. We're going to go over, is it a buy right now? This stock, the Sprouts Farmers Market. Let's just go ahead and be clear about what we're speaking of today. Is the practical entry levels? We're going to go over that. Also, how long will this all take for the price target that we do display on the chart here? So those are the information that we're going to go over. So let's get right into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around. I'm a loyal subscriber. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Excuse me. Today's January the 23rd, 2024, and the previous close of SFM, Sprouts Farmers Market, $51.05, slightly negative close, 1.3% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, voila. So what you're looking at is a very beautiful, the pattern that we found is considered an inverted dome. We're looking at the monthly candles. The inverted dome was actually consolidating for about 3,774 days approximately, okay? Of course, you see the price target here. So let's get right into the topics here, guys. So is SFM a buy-in in your SIM account right now? So the answer to that question is yes. Now, of course, before you hit those buy buttons, what we're going to do is explain the critical range. Now, this is here because just in case there's some sort of retracement in the market, which I honestly don't think is going to happen, only because of the time that it took for the inverted dome to form. Again, when you have a consolidative phase, those who've been with us for some time know this information, but I'll explain it to everyone. The consolidation phase that you see, like this little bouncing around inside of the inverted dome, this is all consolidating. So when you get your breakout, and when you have a breakout that's well over, years, and in this case, we got 3,774 days approximately. Once you get that breakout, you typically don't get much of a retracement. I'm not saying that won't happen in this case, but just giving you a general idea if you just want to have an understanding of patterns and the length of time in which they consolidate and how aggressive they break out. You typically don't get much of a retracement until it reaches its price target. Okay, so and hopefully that was explained well. And the way that I got the price target is very simple. You simply measure the lowest portion of that inverted dome to the neckline, which is the breakout level, right? That kind of resistance, invisible resistance line there. And that's how I was able to get you take your trend line, measure from the top breakout all the way to the lowest portion of the pattern. And then you take that little trend line and you put it at the breakout right about there. And then you just kind of measure it up. So it measures out to approximately $80. All right, $80. All right. So the critical range, let's go over that really quickly. The critical range, again, although I don't think it's going to happen, I would at least give you this information just in case. So this is the critical range. Then the lower portion of the critical range is going to be about $37 all the way up to about $46-ish. That's my ideal entry. Total transparency, I'm not in this market just yet. I plan on starting to scale in the position this week, even if there's no retracement, because the 55% increase that you more than likely seen on the thumbnail is simply a measurement from the previous close. Again, it's all approximate. $51.05 up to $80 is approximately a 55% increase from the close. So that's how I got that. All right, so we went over the critical range, the ideal entry level / critical range, check mark for that. We went over the is it a buy right now? Absolutely. And it's even a much better buy if it gets within the critical range. Last but not least, how long for the PT? We've already gone over the PT, which is $80. Let's give it a full 2024, guys. Everyone knows I am the best in predicting the time frame, right? I'm being sarcastic. Let's give it a full 2024. Let's see how the price action behaves. If the market is still well above or just kind of flirting with the critical range it is still a buy-in opportunity in your sim account, and you should only look for buy-in opportunities in your sim account if the critical range is respected. This year, it's likely on its way to the upside. All right, so that's all the information that I have for you wonderful folks today. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and let's see how this ages, guys. Let me know 6 months, a year from now, did this age well? Leave that information down in the comment section. So that's how we're going to close it out, guys. Hopefully you guys are doing well. It's nice to come back in and give you some content like this. So that's the end of the video, guys. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative market, Bitcoin and Dogecoin for now. So you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.